Beautiful day. Let's switch it to some photos then. So it is connected. I think there's a plane flying past, right? Hi, morning everyone. Currently I'm at the lakeside. So what I'm going to do today, hopefully I'll get to fly my DJI Mavic 3 and hopefully to catch the sunrise and see what we have here. So let's put this up and set this up and then try to fly it. So let us do a launch takeoff. Let's do a takeoff. And it's cutting some grass. So I put it on cine mode. And then that's how it looks like. So that is the DJI Mavic. So this is the DJI Mavic 3. Let it hover a while and then get some satellites. That's how it looks like, and then turn it around slowly. So I've already tuned the sticks to be less sensitive. You can see the sticks are less sensitive from here. And then I'm using aperture 5, f-stop 5, and then shutter speed 1 to 120. So let's look how it looks like on that. So let's go up. So it's very slow. I've already set it to very slow. And bring it back in. Flip it around, and let's grab some photos from here because it's such a nice day. Let's go up. So let's switch it to camera and take a photo. Let's add raw to that. That's up there, so nice. Nice photo. Let's go up higher. Let's switch it back to video and then start recording. And let's fly it out and see. Let's move it forward. Let's fly over the fountain. Camera up. That's where am I? Beautiful day. Let's switch it to some photos then. So it is connected. There's a plane flying past, right? So let's change it to photo. Beautiful day. Let's grab some shots. Okay, done. Switch it to video. That's how it looks like. And let's take a 360 look on this panoramic view. Let's move on forward and head on to where the KLCC is. Beautiful day. So I'm at cine mode and I tilted the setting to very slow, and now you can see it's really slow. I'm flying really slow on the cine mode. So coming back towards me. descending is very slow because I've turned it down really slow. And it's coming down. It's pretty twitchy, right? You can see it's twitchy. Move it forward before it lands on the water. But it's very, very quiet, right? So it's really, really quiet. So you can see that the drone is pretty quiet, and hi everyone. So the drone is very quiet, you can hear that, and I'm actually next to it, and but it's trying to hold itself. You see, it's still floating around like that. So let's switch it to normal mode, and this would be a bit faster. Let's see what happens when that happens. Let's bring it up. Let's start recording and then turn it around and then bring it up again. Okay, so I'm down to 71% battery. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it's much faster now. It's really, really fast. Okay, I'm getting RC signal interference. So that's kind of scary because you get RC signal interference while you're flying. So could be some signal here that's not good, and I wouldn't want to take the risk, so I better bring it back down, because if there's RC signal interference, means chances of me losing it will be high. So let's bring it back down and land this guy. And before I do that, let's do some photos. Let's bring it back down. Bring it back down to land. See, it's twitchy, look at that. How twitchy is that? This drone is super twitchy, look at that. And this is in cine mode. I've switched it to cine mode, look at that. It's really, really, really twitchy. So it's a bit too sensitive and it's too twitchy, look at that. It's just a bit, I'm in cine mode and look at how twitchy it is. It basically needs to, I mean, it's really, really ridiculous. Look at how twitchy is that. It shouldn't be that twitchy, right? So look at that, look at the way it tilts. So that's why the gimbal is going to have problems. Imagine if it keeps on twitching like that, and if you move it, as you move it. Right, so look at that, how twitchy is that? Okay. And look at how the gimbal have to react. Look at that, so twitchy. So that's why you're getting tilt shift and all those. Okay, the gimbal really have to, is really working overtime for that, right? So look at how twitchy it is. and it's like look at that, and I'm on cine mode, right? So there you have it. So I'm gonna land this. Maybe I get a better spot here to land. See, it's too twitchy. Look at that. Really too twitchy. Just land it, and then that's it. So there you have it. There's a quick flight on the Mavic 3. It's ultra twitchy, right? So it is like just twitching everywhere, and even with the slightest move of, I've already tuned it down, not to less sensitive, but it's still very twitchy, right? So it just twitch, and the gimbal just like, you know, that's why you're gonna have horizon issue. Look at that. So it just twitch when it's trying to turn and everything. So the gimbal needs to catch up to all the twitching. So I'm not sure how they go. I think they really need to detune this, right, until you put it in sports mode. So that's all, folks. So I hope you like the test flight of this. This is my second flight with the Mavic 3 and still tuning it. And I hope you do give me a thumbs up, and if you like, join me on the next video. Do subscribe. I'll see you. Have a nice day.